presentation makers and companies either spend way too much time polishing the visuals or not enough. Meanwhile, designers are swamped with requests like, I need this slide designed, or the good old, make it pop. But here's the solution, a well-crafted, effective presentation template. I'm Zach Grosser, owner of Zacht Studios, the presentation design agency that has worked with global heavyweights like Etsy, Google, and Adobe. In this lesson, we'll explore how templates enable anyone in your company to create winning presentations faster, all while taking work off your design team's plate and letting your brand shine. A branded template solves some of the most painful presentation challenges. Non-designers often fall on one of two extremes. They either pour hours into making slides look nice and clean, time that could be better spent on core tasks, or they rush through, leaving behind a trail of chaotic layouts and mismatched fonts. Another issue in many design teams is the constant influx of ad hoc requests to create slides or polish decks. This takes up precious design resources and results in duplicate work. A strong template offers presentation makers a self-service way to create effective, on-brand decks that will fit most scenarios, often without needing additional design support. Creating a template isn't just about building generally high-quality decks, it's about helping your team, from sales rep to founder, to move faster and always appear professional when presenting. A robust template simplifies the process of turning ideas into well-structured, visually captivating decks that win hearts, minds, and wallets. The brand consistency you'll get isn't just about pretty looks. A uniform visual identity builds trust in your business. But it doesn't stop there. Catering to the most common types of presentations within your organization means team members have their go-to slides readily accessible, instead of having to start from scratch or sift through multiple different decks. Let's dive into the exciting phase of getting a template off the ground that aligns with your brand, streamlines your presentation process, and delivers results. To kickstart the process, seek inspiration from decks that have worked for others. Pitch's presentation gallery is an excellent starting point, packed with real-world decks companies have used to win work. Now you have two options. You could start from scratch, offering a clean slate as you design your template, provide guidelines for key elements like text, shapes, and chart styles, include initial slides that act as a visual framework, guiding content creation. Alternatively, take advantage of pre-made templates for a head start. Choose a template that resembles your brand's colors, font choices, and overall style. Or opt for one with content or slide layouts close to your intended structure. Once you've added your brand fonts, make sure you apply your color palette too. Just checking those boxes will quickly bring your template closer to on-brand. Now we get into the nitty-gritty, curating slides that cater to diverse presentation needs. First, there are some staple slides you should always include. Title slide, section divider, text-based slide, 2 columns, 3 columns, image with and without additional context, the same for graphs, and of course, a closing slide. With these foundations covered, add slides specific to your company's needs. Not sure where to start? Audit a few existing decks already in use across your organization, and watch out for frequently occurring types of slides. Also ask yourself, have I been asked to design the same type of slide multiple times in the past? You'll probably end up with unique layouts like stats, timelines, teams, quotes, or device frames. By covering all the universally used slides, plus the ones specific to your team or business, your template will fit most presentations right off the bat. And here's a pro tip. Ditch the lorem ipsum. Filling your slides with meaningless placeholder text is a missed opportunity to educate the people using your template. That's why I'm a big fan of actually helpful placeholders. For example, on photo slides, I like to include instructions for replacing images or where to get brand-friendly photography. You can also work with your marketing team to add prompts that help presentation creators tell a more compelling story. Congrats! Your branded template is all set, waiting to empower everyone in your company to make effective, on-brand presentations. You've also set the foundation for additional templates covering specific use cases, like sales presentations, quarterly business reviews, or board meetings. Don't forget to proudly announce the launch of your template internally. As time goes by, keep it relevant by reflecting changes to your visual brand or adding new slides. Equipped with a well-crafted template, your company is ready to deliver decks that get results every single time.